Kami 11 ba?
Oo, para mag-wine ka ng box dyan.
Okay, tignan mo sa lights. Tignan mo yung ano, hallway. Wala pa, wala pa.
Like I said, he was always my favorite. They tried to remake Foxy, you know? They thought the first one was too scary, so they redesigned him to be more kid-friendly instead of a kid code. Keep the toddlers the
Ay,
same.
punta ka sa hallway, hallway.
Can't keep their hands to themselves.
Oh, si Foxy.
Eventually, they just stopped trying unless there was some kind of take
Doon ka, bebe.
back together attraction.
Okay, now, ano mo na, yung music box.
I think the employees were
Music box.
the main goal.
Jay, doon ka.
Oh, hey, before I go, I wanted to ease your mind about any rumors you might have heard lately. You know how these local stories come and go and seldom mean anything. I can personally assure you that whatever is going on out there...
Isa 9. Check mo yung 9. Nandun yung tatlo eh.
Ay, punta ka sa hallway. Meron daw ano, yung
Wala
yung
pa.
alarm.
Kapit sila.
People trying to make a buck, you know.
Alarm dada.
They have reported
Anong alarm?
Sa hallway.
Doon ka. Excite ka na naman. Doon ka sa kay Dada. Tabihan mo si Dada.
Ay, naano ko naman.
Bilis ituruan mo si Dada doon. Ayun o. Si Foxy.
Punta ka sa bed. Check mo yung bed lights.
Saan yung belt lights?
Ay, dito sa gilid. Yung gilid. Isa pa.
When?
Wala pa.
Pero andun si Foxy. Ulit.
Ano yung continue yung ginawa niyo on new game?
Continue. Night
Okay.
3 na kami.
Okay. Tabihan mo si Dada doon.
Dito ko sa tabi ko.
Wait.
Why you're scared? Nandun naman si Dada eh.
Uy, dalawa na sila.
Uy, dalawa sila.
na. Dalawa.
What? What? That's scary.
Bakit di lumalapit?
Eh, nilawan mo eh.
Mamaya pa. Oh boy, waste yung flashlight mo.
Hindi siya nawawala.
Eh, hintay mo.
Aligay, come.
Yung Freddy mas.
Okay, it's 2 a.m. Ano yung flashlight niya? War.
Wala naman eh.
I-flash ball hanggang.
How many bar your flashlight is? It's
53.
2.
Oy! Ayong ano, paper pals!
Ano gagawin dito?
Pagpanin! Mag-focus ka lang!
Focus saan?
Sa ano, mag-wait ka mag-music box at may focus.
Wow!
Focus. Focus ka. Let's go.
Na-jumpscare si Dada!
Di ka mag-flash kasi.
Tayo.
Na-jumpscare si Dada!